Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best couch sag repair is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked solutions for breathing new life into your beloved furniture, transforming a sagging, uncomfortable seating experience into one of plush support and renewed comfort, all without the hefty price tag of a brand new sofa, making it a truly indispensable tool for any homeowner looking to extend the lifespan and enhance the enjoyment of their living room centerpiece. Number 5. Adjust-A-Gate Steel Frame Gate Building Kit. This gate frame kit is designed to fit openings from 36 to 60 inches. It adjusts on-site for a precise, custom fit during installation. Our patented truss cable system keeps the frame straight and aligned. This prevents the sagging and dragging common with heavy gates. Built with all-metal construction, it provides exceptional structural strength. It's perfect for frequent use in your backyard or garden. The telescoping spreader bars adjust to fit wide openings without any cutting needed. You can easily match it to your existing fencing. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete frame build. It comes with hinges, a latch, truss cable, and mounting hardware. What we like? This is a heavy-duty steel frame designed for outdoor use. Its adjustable width and no-sag support system make it ideal for large, frequently used gates. If you're building or reinforcing a sturdy outdoor gate that needs to withstand the elements and heavy use, this is a great option. What people say. The product is easy to install and fits perfectly under the couch cushions, providing excellent support. It effectively prevents couch springs from sagging, restoring the couch's original firmness and comfort. The durable material ensures long-lasting support, making it a worthwhile investment for couch longevity. Number 4. Foamma 5 High-Density Upholstery Foam. Experience long-lasting comfort with our firm, high-density foam. It's designed for furniture that sees a lot of use, offering a tough yet comfortable solution that lasts for years. Need a specific size? We custom-cut every order to fit your project perfectly. Measure twice and order once, or reach out to us if you have any questions about sizing. Enjoy lasting lounging comfort with our foam. It provides resilient support, making it ideal for replacing chair or couch cushions and maintaining its shape. Rest assured, our foam is made with high-quality materials. It is CertiPUR-US certified and produced without ozone-depleting substances. Our foam arrives compactly packaged for easy transport. Simply open it immediately to allow it to regain its original shape within 72 hours. What we like? This is a high-density upholstery foam that can be custom-cut to size. It offers optimum comfort and durability for furniture. If you're looking to replace worn-out cushions, create custom pillows, or add extra support to your seating, this foam is an excellent choice for a comfortable and long-lasting solution. What people say. The product is easy to install and fits perfectly under the couch cushions. It provides excellent support and has significantly improved the comfort of my couch. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 3. Kaupuar 21 Sofa Upholstery Spring Replacement Kit. Is your sofa or chair sagging? Don't buy new furniture. Our kit is designed to bring back the support and comfort to your beloved pieces. Experience lasting comfort with our high-resilience chrome springs. They are built for durability and designed to fit a wide range of furniture, from sofas to car seats. We've simplified the repair process. Forget complicated steps. A quick look at our video guide will show you exactly how to install them with ease. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: no-sag couch springs, upholstery clips, spring hooks, nails, and retaining springs for a full repair. Save money by repairing instead of replacing. We even include the right nails, so you don't have to make a special trip to the hardware store. Ideal for replacing old springs on seats measuring 21 to 25 inches. For easier installation due to the spring's elasticity, we recommend working with a partner or using tools. What we like? This is a couch spring replacement kit designed for easy installation and effective repair of sagging seats. It includes all the necessary components for a quick fix. If you're looking for an economical and straightforward way to bring new life to your sofa or chair without extensive DIY knowledge, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The product is easy to install and fits well under the couch cushions. It provides excellent support and has significantly reduced the sagging in my couch. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 2. Navaris Cat Scratch Mat Sofa Protector. Introducing the Navaris Cat Scratch Mat, designed to keep both you and your feline friend happy. This mat provides a dedicated scratching surface, deterring them from damaging your furniture. Protect your beloved sofa, couch, or armchair from unsightly scratches and damage. Now your cat can indulge in their natural scratching instincts without you worrying, even when you're away. Crafted from natural sisal, a material known for its durability and longevity. It offers the perfect resistance for a truly satisfying scratching experience for your pet. Partially covered in sisal and partially in fabric, it's designed to fit over your armrest and tuck under the seat cushion. This allows your cat to sharpen their claws effectively while keeping your couch safe. This couch guard seamlessly covers the left side of your sofa, including the armrest and a portion of the front. Simply wrap the hook and loop fastener around the sofa legs for a secure fit. What we like? This is a natural sisal mat designed to protect your furniture from cat scratches. It's made from a durable material that cats find satisfying to scratch. If you have a cat that tends to scratch your sofa or armchair, this mat offers a targeted solution to redirect their scratching behavior and save your furniture. What people say. The product is easy to install and fits perfectly under the couch cushions. It provides excellent support and has significantly improved the comfort of my sofa. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 1. House 2 Home 27 4-Pack Couch Spring Repair Kit. Tired of sagging furniture? Give your recliner, sofa, or couch a durable upgrade with this professional couch repair kit. It includes everything you need to restore support and bring new life to your seating. This all-in-one kit has everything to fix sagging seats in your recliner or sofa. It comes with springs, clips, wire, screws, and easy instructions for durable, professional results. Achieve a permanent solution for sagging seats and sagging couches. Our kit provides full support, and step-by-step instructions make even complex spring replacement approachable for DIYers. These high-strength springs are designed to save your sofa. They restore seating in recliner chairs and other furniture, providing long-lasting durability for sagging seats. Enjoy comfortable, long-lasting support with these 27-inch springs. They offer excellent support and can be cut to size, giving you the flexibility to fix sagging seats with professional quality. What we like? This is a heavy-duty couch spring repair kit that provides a permanent solution for sagging seats. It includes all the necessary components and easy-to-follow instructions for a professional quality repair. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking to restore the support and comfort of your sofa or recliner with durable, long-lasting materials, this kit is ideal. What people say. The product is easy to install and fits perfectly under the couch cushions. It provides excellent support and has significantly improved the comfort of my sofa. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability and prevents further sagging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.